In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process a refund in Zoho Books. Refunds happen, and the good news is Zoho Books makes them quick to record, so your books stay accurate. First, head to the sales section on the left pane. This is where all your money in transactions live. Choose Name as Invoices if you invoiced a customer and later collected payment, or choose Sales Receipts if you took payment at the time of sale. Either way, you'll see a list of transactions that have been paid. Next, open the specific paid transaction you want to refund. You can click the invoice or sales receipt to view its details. Make sure the status shows paid. Refunds are recorded against payments, so if it isn't paid yet, you'll need to collect or mark payment before you can refund it. Inside the transaction, look for the Payments Received section and expand it. If the customer paid in multiple installments, you'll see each payment listed separately. Identify the exact payment you're refunding, then click the Actions option associated with that payment. From the Actions menu, choose Refund. This tells Zoho Books you're creating a refund that links directly back to that payment, keeping your audit trail clear. Now, enter the refund details. Specify the amount, which can be the full payment or a partial amount, depending on your situation. Set the refund date to match when the money leaves your account, so bank reconciliation is smooth later. Pick the refund method, such as bank transfer or cash, and add a reference number or note to explain the reason for the refund. Clear notes help future you, your team, and your accountant understand what happened at a glance. When everything looks right, click Save. Zoho Books will post the refund, link it to the original payment, and update the customer balance and your sales figures automatically. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you use an online payment gateway, remember that processing the actual refund with the gateway is separate. What you're doing here is recording it in your books. Also, double-check you selected the correct payment when multiple payments exist on the same invoice. That's it. You've successfully recorded a refund in Zoho Books using Sales, the Transactions Payments Received section, and the Refund action. Thanks for watching, and keep your records neat by adding notes and matching dates as you go.